See this one. The crow is flying. Yes, a crow is flying over higher. You can see this one. See this picture. ಇದು ಕಾಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು? ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಬಾಲ್. Yes, how the crow can see. A crow flies high over the school. It can see the tops of buildings, the roads and the playground. Yes, look at what the crow can see. A view from the top. See here. In this here, small ground, school building. Yes, basketball court. This is the playground. Yes, this is the view from the top. ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತರೆ ಈ ಕ್ರೋ ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಬಹುದು? Yes, and these are the objects and symbols as I shown you before. Yes, and you know what are these signs? Where you can see these? Yes, these symbols you can see in traffic signal. Red, yellow, green. Red means stop, yellow means to start, green means go. Red stop, yellow ready, green is to go. Yes, these are the vertical traffic signals. So these are the symbols. You can call it as a symbols. Yes, or a key. By using these symbols we can understand. For example, Mulgun Naka. When you go there, you can see the traffic signals. You will obviously see these lights, and when you see red light, you will stop there. You will understand, yes, we have to stop now. Yes, when green comes, you will think, yes, we have to go now. You will start your vehicle and you will go. So here are the some symbols. And see, as I shown you this is P mark. It means this is the symbol. This is the symbol of no parking. Yes, and here see right hand curve. This you can see while traveling. Right hand curve where we have to move. These are the symbols. This is nothing but symbols or key. See, this is the image of table, right? How you will see the table? Like this. But how you will draw? You will draw like this. Is this both are similar? No, it is not similar. Next, as I told about symbols and key. See here, this is the garden picture. You can see the trees and here some symbols. Mountains. These are the symbol of mountain. Yes, river, capital symbols, city, railroad. If you see this symbol means you will recognize, yes, it is a railroad. Yes, see, this is the plan of a house. Kitchen, living hall, yes, bedroom. These all you can see. This is the, as I told, a map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface as seen from a position above the place. See, this is the home. See here, home. As I told, imagine your home without ceiling. ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಸೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾರ್ದೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ? If you imagine without ceiling means you can see the home like this, right? See this picture. Hall, dining hall, bedrooms. You can see these cots. Yes. See, as I told, while traveling we use the maps. If we don't know the route, how we can move? ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಈ ಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋದರೆ ಯಾವ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋದರೆ ಯಾವ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಏನು. ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೀವ್ ಇದು these are roads. Yes, you can see here like a spoon like. It is nothing but we have to understand this is a hotel. Yes, here are some hotels. Yes, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ರೂಟು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನೀವು ಹೋಗೋ ರೂಟನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಓ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ spoon like. Yes, spoons obviously will see in hotels you will use spoons while eating, so you can think here. Yes, and as I told map, yes, as I told map, you will find the states and capitals using map. Without map can you find? No, without map we cannot find any states and capitals. Yes, and this is the view of the bus. Of you take it as any vehicle without ceiling, ಅದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್, ಮೇಲಿಂತ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಯುವರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಬಸ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಬಸ್. ಎಸ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್. You can weave like this. Next, this is the view of the city from the top. ಮೇಲಿಂತ್ರ ನಮ್ದು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಊರು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ, ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತರೆ ಇಡೀ ಸಿಟಿನೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್. ನೀವೀಗ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಕುಂತ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಯರ್ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫುಲ್ ಊರು ಸಿಟಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. And as I told, the direction, location. Yes, from this map can you find school? Yes, here is the school. Middle one is school, and you can see also here pool. Yes, and market. Yes, garden. See here, garden also there. Yes, home. From this picture you will see here is the picture. Can you find road? Yes, how you recognize the road? See this one, this is the road. ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ, how you will go to here from one point to another point? You can see this map and you easily find. Yes, see this is nothing but the view of the city. Yes, hope you understand. Here are the some examples as I told. Yes, so we can make a map of any place in the world. We can make a map of any place in the world. We can even draw the map of the classroom. Yes, this way we can look down into the room and see the tops of different objects. Yes, we can use the symbols to make a map. Look, the given map. See, as I shown you see, this is the top of the classroom, a map of a classroom as I shown you like this. Yes, this is the classroom. Yes. So, maps are of many kinds. They can be a map or a plan of a house, a route map or a map of country. The signs or symbol used in maps depend on the type of map. Some map also use different colors to show the different information. Right? The symbols, colors and what they show is explained in the key or legend. We call it as key or legend. Yes, let us discuss more about in next class. Yes.